Imagine if Allah gave you everything you ever wanted, every dream arriving at the perfect moment, every prayer answered exactly the way you imagined, every door opening when you wanted it to open. Would you still search for Him? Or would you slowly begin to believe that the gifts were enough? That question changes everything. Because perhaps one of the greatest tests in life is not only losing what you love, but forgetting the one who gave it to you while enjoying the gift. And that is why some hearts have everything they once prayed for, yet still feel incomplete. Not because Allah gave them too little, but because they expected temporary blessings to provide the permanent peace that only Allah can give. The problem was never the blessings. The problem was asking the creation to fill a space that was created for the Creator. We have mistaken happiness for peace, but they are not the same. Happiness visits, peace remains. Happiness is connected to moments. Peace is connected to Allah. The world teaches you, follow your heart. Do whatever makes you happy. But the Quran speaks about something much deeper, the condition of the heart itself. Allah says, then their skins and their hearts soften to the remembrance of Allah. Notice the beauty of this. Allah does not promise a life without difficulty. He promises something greater, a heart that can remain steady through difficulty, because a peaceful heart can survive a difficult life. But a restless heart can feel empty, even while surrounded by comfort. Ask yourself, when was the last time you achieved something you once desperately wanted, and before the day ended, your mind was already searching for the next thing? Why does this happen? Because desire has a strange appetite. It rarely says, enough. It whispers more success, more recognition, more approval, more control, and without realizing it, a person can spend their entire life running toward a finish line that keeps moving. But this does not mean Allah created you to be dissatisfied. It means your soul was never designed to make this world its final home. A traveler does not build his entire life at a roadside stop. He appreciates the place. He benefits from it, but he remembers, this is not where the journey ends. This world is a blessing, but it was never meant to become your paradise. Only Jannah was created to satisfy every longing of the human soul. This changes how we understand loss. Perhaps Allah did not remove something to make your story smaller, but because your heart was becoming attached in a way that hurt you. Sometimes He closes a door, not to deprive you, but to protect you from what lies behind it. Faith is trusting Allah before the wisdom becomes visible. That is the essence of Tawakkul, not abandoning effort, but placing your heart's ultimate dependence on Him. You don't need to know everything about tomorrow when you know who is holding it. Peace is knowing that whatever reaches you comes with the wisdom of Allah. Every joy, every delay, every goodbye, every new beginning, nothing escapes His awareness. The world will change. People will come and go. Plans will succeed or fail. But the heart connected to Allah finds a treasure circumstances cannot steal. Stop searching for happiness as if it is the ultimate goal. Search for the one who created it. When Allah becomes the center of your heart, peace is no longer something you chase. It is something He places within you. And one day, everything you chased will remain behind. But the heart that learned to return to Allah will carry the only treasure that truly mattered, a heart at peace. If these words brought a moment of peace to your heart today, write in the comments, "I found peace." Please share them with someone who needs to hear it.